Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Professor Faisalabad Lodi, Principal, Punjab Medical College, Professor Guya Amir, Dean, Basic Sciences, my respected faculty members, staff, students, and the parents of the distinguished students who are entering into the medical field now. I welcome you and Assalamu Alaikum. Indeed, it's a great day for you, it's a great day for me, and every year I wait for this day. It has been 12 years for me that every year I have been attending these white coat ceremonies. It started off in 2012 when I was principal of Zafar Medical College, and that was my first year there as principal, and we started this formal white coat ceremony. Since then, every year I am holding this ceremony, first in Zafar Medical College, and now for last 6 years this ceremony is being held in Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad Medical University, and I wait for this day when I see very bright, fresh, shining students who are very eager to become doctors, and along with their parents who are so thankful and bowing to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and so proud that their sons and daughters are now going to become doctor after passing through this college for 5 years. Indeed, it was your dream to make your sons or daughters to come into this profession as doctors. And for that, I know that you have worked a lot, because I myself was a small child. My parents thought that our son should become a doctor, and they, groomed me in that way. I went to all the schools, primary, secondary, and then I entered into King Edward Medical College in the year 1980. So when I see you people, I recall my first day in King Edward Medical College, and similarly on that day our principal gave us some words of wisdom, some pieces of advice, and today I am again standing before you as Vice Chancellor of this university and recalling my first day in this profession. And inshallah, one of you, after say 40 years or 35 years, will be standing in my place and delivering this lecture. So, a proud moment, and this particular moment is really celebrated in a very, very befitting manner. I take this pride that when I started this white coat ceremony in year 2012 at Zafar Medical College, and I made a tradition in which I said that the students will not wear the white coats by themselves, rather their parents will help them wear white coats. और इस वक्त शुक्र कीजिए अल्लाह तबारक व तआला का कि अल्लाह ताला ने आपको ये मौका दिया है और ये एजाज़ दिया है कि आप अपने बच्चों को आज डॉक्टर बना दें, और बच्चों को भी शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए अपने वालिदैन का। शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कभी आलाए रब्बी तुम्हारी इस्तेमाल, तुम अल्लाह की किस नेमत को झुटलाओगे, इससे बड़ी नेमत और क्या हो सकती है आपकी जिंदगी में? बोलिए, I pledge solemnly to use all my efforts to acquire the knowledge, skills, attitude, and behaviors required for the practice of medicine. I will respect all my teachers and seniors who help and guide me in learning the art and practice of medicine. I will be kind and respectful to all my patients, their relatives, and the ward staff looking after them during my clinical attachments. I pledge to assist my fellow students in meeting their professional obligations and foster respect and tolerance. I will scrupulously abide by medical ethics and will be kind to all the living beings used for learning purposes. I will protect and preserve the university building and installations, etc. I will cultivate the virtues of integrity, honesty, compassion, courage, and self-sacrifice in myself and in my colleagues. Today is the first step in a lifetime of learning, and the white coat I don will remind me of the promises I made today. I will uphold the sanctity of this white coat as insignia of medical profession. I affirm this day before Almighty and my teachers in medicine that I will be true to this pledge. Allah help me to keep the promises I have made. Ameen.